With the 15th selection in the first round of the 2009 first-year player draft, the Cleveland Indians select Alex White, a right-handed pitcher from UNC Chapel Hill, North Carolina. The Arizona Diamondbacks are now on the clock.
All right, there you have it. 2 Tar Heels in the top 15. A good day for that program as they're still in the College World Series. They'll play Arizona State this weekend. But this is a young man a lot of people are high on. Frank, I'll go to you. Alex White, what does he bring to the table?
Well, first of all, this is an excellent pick. He's a hard-throwing right-hander. This guy has come out, and in the regional, he had a little pull in his hamstring. He had a big blister, but he came out and threw a good game the other day to get themselves moving on. Big heart, big desire. I think that this is an excellent pick for Cleveland. It's a guy that's a lot closer to the big leagues than maybe some